So I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty upset because I've kind of found out that I've been getting scanned by this goddamn Epson printer. Now, if you guys have been watching me or you guys watch me daily, you know that I have had problems with this printer. It runs out of ink and it's just a total mess. I've had, honestly, so many issues with this printer. It is the worst printer I've ever had. And I know I've talked to you guys about getting... Captain, can you please stop it? Can you stop it? That is Jackson's bone, okay? This is Jackson's bone. No, that's not your bone. You can't jump in there. Look how many bones you have in your bed. Why can't you just play with your bones? Why do you have to play with Jackson's? Why do you have to play with Jackson's? Play with these bones, okay? Jackson, get in your bed. Get in your bed, Jack. Okay? Good boys. Stop. Stop. See, that's his bone, okay? That's not your bone. So, I was printing out packages. I have about like 30 packages I have to do. And of course, it runs out of ink. But the thing is that it says it's a colored ink. And guys, I'm printing black and white. Like, there shouldn't be any color. So I quickly Google it, like a form to see. Basically, Epson uses color ink even if you use black ink. So every package I've been printing with black ink is using the colored ink, and now I'm out of colored ink and not black ink. Now the scam that they get you is that you can't use this printer unless if every single cartridge is filled. So now I have to go back to Office Depot, buy another colored cartridge even though I'm printing only black and white. So literally this is going to be the last time I'm doing this. I'm only doing this to literally get out these 30 packages. Once I'm doing this, I'm literally going to take this baseball bat and beat the crap out of it. Like, I swear, I'm going to bring it out back, and I'm going to beat the crap out of that thing. And then, we're going to order a Dymo 4XL. I'm tired of this. I'm not buying any more ink. This is literally the last ink cartridge that I'm ever going to buy in my life. And like I said, it's only because I need to get these packages out for you guys. So I'm quickly going to head over there. I also have to get Captain some more food because he ran out of wet food. So we're going to have to go get to that. So I'm going to quickly go run do that, and then I'm going to go print these packages, and I'll kind of catch up to you guys once I go get all that stuff. So finally got the printer working. We got all of it is. Let's just give a couple shout outs for today. So we have Glenn, Jeffrey, Jocelyn, Pernell. I'm sorry, I'm so bad at names. Marianne, Jonathan, Carlos, Evan, Lewis, D-Rock, or D. Kelly, Raul, Alejandro, Austin, Megan, who else we got in here? And Graham, and who else? Oh, there's one more in here. Mike and Steven. Shout out to all of you guys. Your packages are on the way. Everybody else I am going to ship out tomorrow. It's just all these packages don't fit in my duffel bag, and it's really difficult to bring a lot of stuff. So I'm going to be doing these packages, and then everything else will be tomorrow. Make sure you guys check it out. Link down below, emcvlogs.com. I have about 100 items. Really good price. Just starting at $7. Jackets starting at like $14 or $20. You really can't go wrong. Every purchase does really help support these, make these videos. So what I'm quickly going to do is I'm quickly going to go to the post office, and you guys already know Goodwill's right next door, so we're going to go to Goodwill. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's little video. Let's get it. 6 Pirates. Super sick, all over color. St. Pablo. Two other finds. We have this double-sided LeBron James. And then this thing I couldn't pass up. This kind of reminds me of like the Saint Laurent sunset shirt. I'm pretty sure it's a vintage tag too. It says like the Bahamas. It's craziness. Bootleg, perfect for customizing because there's so much of it. Not exactly sure how much it is, but we'll find out. Only 2 t-shirts today. We got the Polo little box logo, and then the USA Looney Tunes Olympic. And we have some Jordan 1s, it seems like. Nike Air. Size 12, my size, 20 bucks. Got the Marmount windbreaker. If you guys don't know, this is a very expensive brand. It does have yellow stains all throughout though. Probably gonna end up leaving this, but we'll put it in the bento later. And then what is this? We have the vintage ski puffer jacket. This thing has like elbow pads in it. Unfortunately, it's way too heavy. Otherwise, I would cop it because it's pretty fresh, but these heavy jackets don't really do well.
USA Olympics. No big logo or anything. Damn, I usually pass on this brand, but the fact that it's like a really, really heavy jacket with like super embroidery, I think I might end up picking this up. Though. You have the Ed Hardy, all embroidered. Like literally all embroidered. Usually I would pass up on this brand, but this is a really nice jacket. I think it'd do well. Got the vintage LL Bean, little anorak in the purple colorway. Little hints of forest green and navy blue. Not bad. Damn, these are crazy. You have the vintage Polo Sport, little patchwork all over bathing suit. What size is this? Thing looks pretty big. It is a size XL with the pockets and everything. So fire. Brand new with the tags. We have the Champion little joggers. 10 bucks, so probably gonna leave them behind. Look how crazy these things are. It's all like nylon, bright neon yellow with like 3M strips at the bottom, brand new with the tags. I guess they're rain pants, so what you're supposed to do is put these on like over your pants. Strange. I think I might grab these for personal because I can actually taper the bottoms. They have snaps on them, like see the buttons here? You can taper it off. I think this was sick. Then we got these lightweight Adidas like track pants, joggers, the taper just at the bottom, zippers as well. Probably gonna scoop these. Damn, these are pretty sick too. So you have Adidas with the red and black, the classic, the 3 stripes. It really reminds me of like Y3, all snaps. Pretty sick. Gucci denim shorts, like a size 40. What are these? Like fake Gucci. Not bad for the second store. Luckily I brought the big bag today. Let's see, for shoes today we have the Jordan Hair 1s for $90. Not bad condition. Some Air Forces for $50.
Can I help you with something?
No, I'm just looking. Thank you.
You filming?
Yep. I come all the time. Then we have the Lebron 9s in like the Miami University color, $33. Not bad. A little bit of yellowing and clouding, but not bad. Jordan 1 mids, 25. What are these? LeBron lows?
Yeah, there's, I mean, I didn't realize we had so many.
And then some patent leather, 50 bucks. Camo, 43.
Mostly big size.
Yeah.
A lot of clout.
Yeah, that's my size. Vans. Got the Nike Dunk Wolverines, 150 bucks though. Super nice. Damn, this is a really nice polo. The little P. And on the back, RL Athletic Club.
I just put that out though.
Let's see if there's any inner tags. It's a white tag. Usually it should be a blue tag if I'm familiar. But we'll do some research. We'll check it out. Let's see. Harley Davidson. Got a little motorcycle vest. It's pretty sick. 50 bucks though. Polo Ralph Lauren little dress shirt. Little skull. This isn't too bad. We have the Nike US Soccer jersey. Unfortunately, they want 20 bucks though, so I'm gonna leave it behind. Lacoste. Got the vintage Tommy Hilfiger little corduroy with the small box logo for 20 bucks also.
You probably got a nice little jump.
Well, today was definitely a success, and what's kind of funny is when I went to the post office, I was gonna stop by my house because I didn't want to bring this huge duffel, but basically after all the stores today, we filled up literally the entire duffel. So now we're gonna head back home, we're gonna get some lunch. Let's see how the pups are doing. So I just threw the clothes in the wash, gonna quickly get that. I'm gonna make some lunch, got the steak already prepped with all the salt. Look at that. And a lot of people ask, Emilio, how are you able to eat, or Emilio, why do you eat a steak every day? Or like, how do you eat every steak every day? And basically what I do is I go to Costco. Now, for people that don't know what Costco is
a store where you can buy bulk items. For example, you can get like 40 rolls of toilet paper or 40 bottles of water, and it's a lot cheaper. You have to pay a membership a year. I think it's like $50 a year, but you go and you get to buy bulk. So for example, I buy this steak. I got 3 pounds for $20, and usually it comes about 8 steaks or so. You can also cut them up. And what I do is I just freeze them all. So like this side is like the dinner side, like look how big this steak is, if you guys can tell with my hand. And then this side's like the lunch steak, the little bit smaller steaks. So I have the, you know, like that one's a lot smaller obviously than this. So this is the dinner side, like this is the dinner steaks, and then this is the lunch steaks. Right, today I'm cooking lunch, but I put out a dinner steak just because I'm a little bit hungry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook that on the grill, or on the stove, I guess. I'm gonna cook with the butter. I'm gonna do 2 minutes each side, and then I'm gonna throw it in the oven at 400 for 20 minutes. And what I'm gonna eat with it today is a Caesar salad, just to kind of get some greens, you know. I don't wanna always, oh my gosh, I'm out of salad. Okay, well, that was a fail. Okay, I guess I'm not gonna have a salad today. I guess what I'll do is I'll eat it with probably some corn. Get some whole corn. I didn't get the creamy kind this time. If you guys saw last time, I got that creamy one. It was horrible, disgusting, no, not good at all. So let's hurry up, cook these steaks, and then I'll catch you guys up once the clothes are done and show you guys the finds of today. Jackson, you're so nosy. Why can't you just be like Captain? Look at Captain sitting all good over there by himself. But you gotta be right by my side. Look at that. It's like, what's that? Oh man, look at that thing sizzling. The steak's gonna be amazing. All right, so let's show you guys today's finds today. And honestly, we have a good amount of stuff. We definitely found some nice things between all the thrift stores. We got lucky. And at the end of the day, it's just honestly luck of the draw. The right time, the right place is where you find this stuff. A lot of people ask me, yo, what thrift store do you go to? What time should I go? Literally just go to the thrift store. You'll find something or you don't find something, you know. Obviously, I only show you guys the stuff I do find. I don't show you guys the stuff that I don't find because it just doesn't make sense. So let's jump into today's finds. So to start it off, we have the Bootleg Louis Vuitton. And I don't know if you could tell how big this is. Like, let me put my phone next to it just so you guys can get like a size preference and how big this thing is. So my original plan, I think I'm just gonna cut this up and kind of use it as material. It does have a cut inside, so I don't know, like maybe I guess I could sell it and just kind of sell it as a flaw, and someone could just use it as like a big tote bag. If you guys want it, just send me an Instagram DM, but I'm probably just not going to throw up on the website. I'll probably just keep it for some kind of custom, or maybe I'll even just use it as like a beach tote bag, just to kind of throw around in the sand, you know, something that obviously is going to meant to get dirty just because it is kind of dirty. It has that cut inside, so actually, you know what? That's a good idea. I'll probably just honestly keep it as a beach bag. Just throw my towel in it. I can throw it in the sand or whatnot. If you guys want to use it as a beach bag, then just send me an Instagram DM, send me an email, and maybe we can work out a price for you. But for the time being, I'm probably not going to list it on my website. I'm just going to keep it as the personal. So to jump into stuff that is for you guys, though, I wish this was my size, but we have the mint chocolate chip green St. Pablo tortie. So you have the St. Pablo screen printed in the big red letters, the big logo. Now this says it's a size medium, but to be honest, it looks like it shrunk up. So I'd say about a small medium. But remember, link down below, everything I'm showing you right now is for sale, as well as the measurements. Measurements do help out a lot. For example, this says it's a size medium, but it could probably fit a size small. So just keep that in mind. Check the link down below. I appreciate every single one of you guys. So to continue back on the front, it does have the St. Pablo. Size small, but this could actually fit a medium. We have the Pirates All-Star 2006. The little Nike. Size medium, but could fit a large. We have, honestly, I just love the colors. Like, these colors are so bright. We have the Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. And, like, the shirt's, like, on, like, cream with, like, gray marks. It's kind of hard to tell. It's not, obviously, on a plain white tee. As medium, we have the Florida Panthers, Pavel Bure, number 10. These three shirts we actually found together. So I'm not exactly where this beach is, but I just got them because I love the all over print. If you notice, it's like paint splat throughout. And these are all going to be size large. This one has like orange with the green, with the pink. And then this one's probably one of my favorites. So it has like really, really dark splats and then like teal with the purple. Just craziness. I was gonna keep this, but
I don't really care for sports too much. You have the double-sided LeBron James. This is a size XL, and then on the front you have LeBron with the Heat logo.
I'm gonna insert a picture right now. Saint Laurent basically makes a sunset shirt like this, and it goes for I think $1,000 plus, so I figured I had to pick this up. It's so sick. I wish it was my size. It fits more like a medium.
So we have the sunset with the people standing on the beach, just craziness, this button down. It does say the Bahamas right there. These, I think I'm gonna end up keeping for the personal for a little while, just because it honestly reminds me of Y3. We have the full snap-off Adidas pants with the red stripes. See the classic. And unfortunately, these don't have drawstrings, so it fits about a 32, I'd say, like a medium to 32. You have the Adidas. These might be on my website, but I might kind of price them a little bit higher than usual. You know, t-shirts I like to do about $10. I like to give you guys really good deals. So again, check the link down below. But these I might price a little bit higher just because I do want to keep them in the personal. But if you guys want to buy them at the price I listed, then yeah, so go be it. Super fire vintage polo sport with the little yellow rider right there. You have the patchwork bathing suit. It does have pockets, so you could almost wear it as shorts. It says it's size XL, but to be honest, it could probably fit about a 2XL. Again, measurements will be from, I think it was like 21 across or like 20 across. So just, again, just keep looking in mind for measurements. But this thing is just crazy. Just the patchworks all throughout. Cut and sew, the Ralph Lauren tab. Size medium, we do have the USA. Little Bugs Bunny doing the, what's that thing called? Like the pole vault, I guess. Has a USA Special Olympic collection. Polo box tee. Supreme wasn't the first one, you know. This is that vintage polo also with that yellow little washed box logo. It says it's size large. Little boxy tee though. Probably fit an XL boxy. Size XL, we have the vintage LL Bean. Little anorak with like the half zip all the way, as well as the pocket right here. The purple with the forest green and the navy hits. And the find of today, well, I guess we had a lot of finds of today, but this thing is just honestly super crazy. It is very soft also, very nice, well made. You have the Ralph Lauren Athletic Club with the little Indian patch right there. The little varsity with the gray. And then on the front, we do have like the Chanel logo, or I guess, I don't even know how to pronounce that, but like the little like towel-like logo with the P and the football. Just craziness. And the last piece of clothing that we got is this Ed Hardy biker jacket with embroidery all over. It's about a size large. Just craziness. I'm hang drying it right now. I did wash it, but it's still wet, so that's why it's on the hanger.
And today we actually do have 3 shoes. Now one of these I did get the other day, which is this pair. I forgot to show you guys in the aftermath, but basically this is the Rainbow Jordan 6s. These are a size 6Y, and they're on my website for I think like 30 bucks. Next, we have the Jordan 1s. These are the City of Flights with like the pebbled black leather and the little gold accents. These are size 12, and I believe these are like 60 bucks. Finally, we have the Nike LeBron 9s, the Miami University UM colorway. These are a size 13. And these are about $80. Well, now I have to quickly edit this video and get it up to you guys. Today is Friday. So you guys are basically watching this the day as it's happening. I did find these finds Friday today. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the thumbs up button. Again, check the link down below, emcvlogs.com. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the EMC vlog. And don't forget, guys, let's get it.